Hi guys, today I'm going to test out this flower keychain mold. I've mixed up some epoxy resin. I'm going to add this neon yellow glitter because I think it does look like a bit of a sunflower, so I was trying to go for sunflower yellow colours. I only have a neon yellow, but I think it'll turn out okay, so let's go. Okay, that was fairly easy to fill, so I will pop any bubbles with my little flame, if any appear, which by the looks of that it probably will. I'll let it cure for a few days and I'll be back to unmold. Okay, time to unmold this. So there's a few air bubbles, but not too many. Doesn't really detract from the detail, which is really nice in it. The colour showing up in the camera is not quite the colour in real life. It is a brighter yellow. Probably not as fluorescent as it's showing in the camera, but overall, I think this mould is great, and I will add a keyring chain hardware to that. There, I'll clean up. You can obviously see there's a bit of loose resin there. That'll just flick off. Yeah, I think this is a great mould, and it was really simple and easy to use. Please subscribe, guys. Help my channel grow. I'm testing out a lot more moulds this weekend, which I'll bring to you in the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. See ya.